Hi guys, first of all, Happy New Year to all of you. This is Ashok Singh and you are here at the top 12 list. Let the countdown commence. Welcome to the top 12 list and today we are counting down our picks to the best places in the world to celebrate New Year's Eve. Do you like our videos? Be sure to subscribe to the top 12 list and ring the bell button to be notified as out our latest videos. Thank you. Countdown number 12 is Germany. When the old year ends and a new year dawns, Germans celebrate like most people around the world. Parties and fireworks are the norms, although many people choose to spend Sylvester quietly at home. In Germany, people exchange small gifts that are supposed to bring good luck for the new year, like marzipan pigs or four-leaf clovers. There is also a tradition of melting little lead figurines and castings into the water to read your coming year's fortune. Countdown number 11 is India. India is the land of unity in diversity. Its rich history has owed it a wide range of political and cultural transformation, as a result of which it has become a conglomeration of varied traditions. New Year celebration in the country are fun and full of rituals. Frolic and foods, music and dance are the integral part of all festivities in India. Different people in different parts of the country have their own ways of celebrating New Year. Countdown number 10 is Dubai, UAE. Dubai, with its unique combination of modern advancement mixed with rich culture, is an incredible place to celebrate the new year. It also has the perfect centerpiece for the annual firework display, the remarkable Burj Khalifa. Kul Aam wa Atum Bikhair. Countdown number 9 is Opera House and Harbour Bridge, Sydney. Sydney Harbour is the place to be on New Year's Eve. With its stunning iconic building and breathtaking firework display, Sydney knows how to host a New Year's Eve celebration. Number 8 is Paris. Who wouldn't want to count down the new year in front of the Eiffel Tower? Countdown number 7 is Las Vegas. People come from all around the world to celebrate the new year at the world famous Las Vegas Strip. It hosts one of the largest pyrotechnic fireworks shows with crazy nightclub parties and concerts by A-list performers. What a way to start 2021. Countdown number 6 is London. You can watch as the Big Ben rings at the strokes of midnight while you party it up in England's capital. And on 5th is Moscow. I don't know what more colorful Moscow's fireworks or buildings. What a beautiful city to spend New Year's holiday. Countdown number 4 is Reykjavik, Iceland. For something a little different, why not replace fireworks with the northern lights? You can watch as Mother Nature celebrates the new year. Plus, who would say no to a trip to Iceland? Number 3 is Copacabana Beach, Rio de Janeiro. The fireworks display in Rio de Janeiro on New Year's Eve is one of the largest in the world, lasting 15 to 20 minutes. Around 2 million people go to Copacabana beach each year to celebrate the new year. So if you enjoy festivals, warm nights and cheeky late night swims, you must go to Rio for the new year celebrations. And on second is Fiji. New Year celebration keep on for weeks or longer in some parts of Fiji. It is a frequent tradition in Fiji to beat on the drums and spray each other with water. In the center of Suva, which is Fiji's capital, the people set off fireworks and hold a yearly street party to greet the new year. Countdown number 1 is Times Square, New York. Times Square has been home to major New Year's Eve festivities since as early as 1904, when hundreds of thousands gathered in Midtown Manhattan to watch fireworks light up the newly built New York Times building, now known as One Times Square. That's it guys for today. Once again, Happy New Year. Hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, then please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell button so that you will never miss our future videos. Thank you.